indeed a great privilege to have Honorable Justice Uday Lalit Saheb for this Golden Jubilee lecture series, and he has chosen a topic which is dearest to everybody. When I was a student of law, I had also a dream to become a judge. But God said that you should not be a judge, you become the mother of lawyers and judges, and therefore I am principal of this law college. Judicial services attracting young talent, that is the topic, and all of you know that we are doing it on behalf of the Golden Jubilee celebrations of Bharati Vidyapeeth. As you all know that Bharati Vidyapeeth was established by Honorable Dr. Patangrao Ji Kadam, the founder chancellor of this university. He himself is a law graduate, LLB from Pune University ILS Law College in the year 1964 from the same campus. The campus where we are here, at the age of 18 years, Dr. Patangrao Ji Kadam established Bharati Vidyapeeth with Shankara More Vidyalaya. That is the first school which is started in 64, and we had law school in 1978, pharmacy and arts science commerce. This is the oldest campus. As you all know, we have got 3 campuses in Pune. This is the oldest campus. We have 12 acres. We have a new campus at Cartridge, which is 100 acres, where we have medical, dental, homeopathy, Ayurveda, nursing, hotel management, environment, you name anything, everything is in Bharati Vidyapeeth. And we are having an upcoming international campus of 300 acres in Lovely, which is adjacent to Symbiosis International University, that is upcoming in Lovely in Pune. So we have 3 campuses in Pune. We also have a campus in Delhi at Pachim Vihar. We also have a campus in Navi Mumbai, Solapur, Kolhapur, Sangli, Karat and Dubai. We are going to start very soon in London as well as in Harvard. We have already started their Marathi linguistic centers in Harvard to teach Marathi to Indians who are staying in America. So this is all the work of the magician, academician, a politician, a man who comes from a very small village but today catering to the larger need of more than 5 lakhs people in Bharati Vidyapeeth. Sir, you will be very happy to know that Bharati Vidyapeeth is currently having more than 180 educational institutions, all catering to different fields of knowledge, and we are having more than 5 lakhs students in Bharati Vidyapeeth. There are more than 25,000 teachers who are working in Bharati Vidyapeeth, one of the largest educational organizations in India. Sir, Bharati Vidyapeeth constituent units, 29 namely, were given deemed university status in the year 1996. Law College is one of them. Sir, you are already aware of Bharati Vidyapeeth's Law College, that we are among top 10 law schools. We have been ranked by India Today, we have been ranked by Outlook, Career 360 and various other magazines. And I need not go on and talking about law schools, but I am just trying to make a mention of 2-3 points that we are celebrating Golden Jubilee of Bharati Vidyapeeth established in 1964, and recently Honorable President of India Pranab Mukherjee had come for the Golden Jubilee celebrations in the month of June at Bharati Vidyapeeth Cartridge campus. And recently in this month of January, on 5th of January, we have given Dilit to Honorable Sri Narayan Murthy as well as Dr. Mashelkar. We have given Dilit in the convocation. This all is a part of Golden Jubilee celebrations that we have celebrated, and we have always worked for quality education at Bharati Vidyapeeth and trying to see that how we can go for internationalization of higher education. To come to Law College, because I know that I am having very short time, but at Law College, Lordship, we always strive for having innovative programs. We started with BBA Law, which is among very few universities. We also have the value-added paralegal courses, Diploma in Mergers and Acquisitions, Diploma in Air and Space Laws, Diploma in Foreign Investment Laws, Diploma in Arbitration, IPR, Cyber Laws, and now we are going to also launch the MOOC Courses, massive open online courses, which are going to be value addition and skill development programs, making students to be expert in corporate drafting or for that matter banking, insurances, which is the modern concept of learning the laws with specialization. If you are master of law but having no knowledge, it's of no use. Master of laws or bachelor of laws with specialization, that is what is the need of the hour, and therefore we have started launching these MOOC courses with those dignitaries on the dais, that we are going to have the MOOC courses very shortly from this academic year. We have also started e-learning, e-justice and e-litigation programs. We have also had the video conferencing through University of Reading and University of Oxford when we had Justice P.N. Bhagwati International Moot Court Competition. So sir, we are also taking part in legal aid programs, social justice programs, public interest litigations. We are also filing for the cause of juvenile justice. So these things do the interactions of the students with the world as well as with the society. And we believe that lawyers of today's, particularly law schools in India, they are not only meant for the Supreme Court and High Court and district courts in India, but they are meant for the courts of the world. And therefore we believe that today's lawyer is tomorrow lawyer for the world, and international lawyering is the essence of legal education. And therefore we call legal education as justice education. And to have that justice education, to have the quality education, we need to have quality teachers, we need to have quality schools. We understand that if there is quality in law school, there will be quality in lawyers, and if there is a quality in lawyers, there will be quality in judges. And therefore, Lordship, this temple of justice must have connection with the school of justice. With that particular aim, we keep on organizing these legal discourses, inviting the judges from High Court and Supreme Court to talk about the latest landmark events happening in the legal system in India and abroad. And we are organizing judicial colloquia, Golden Jubilee celebrations, moot court competitions, legal discourses on various issues. And today we are lucky to have Honorable Justice Uday Umesh Lalit Sahab. Sir, we are also going to launch today an application for law students, wherein the law students in their mobile, they can directly come to know about the notifications of the changes happening in Bharati Vidyapeeth Law College, events happening in Law College, the latest changes, what is happening in law, the important decisions given by the Supreme Court and High Court, the examination timetable, all this will be available on the mobile application which we are going to launch today, which is free. You can download from Google Play Store, and that will be uploaded today in the morning.